Welcome to this tutorial on how to disable sharing profile edits on LinkedIn using your PC. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple process to keep your profile updates private, ensuring that only you control who sees your changes. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your LinkedIn homepage. Look up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your account. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account, including privacy settings. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility to adjust how your profile is seen by others. Now scroll down to the Sharing Profile Edits section. Here you have the option to control whether your network is notified when you make changes to your profile. By default, LinkedIn may share these updates with your connections, which can sometimes be inconvenient if you're making frequent edits. To disable this feature, look for the option that says Share Key Profile Updates. This setting allows LinkedIn to notify your network about significant changes to your profile, such as a new job title or company. To keep these updates private, simply toggle the switch next to this option to the off position. By disabling this feature, you ensure that any changes you make to your profile will not be broadcasted to your network. This gives you more control over your online presence and helps maintain a professional image by avoiding unnecessary notifications. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully disabled sharing profile edits on LinkedIn. This update helps you manage your visibility and privacy more effectively, ensuring that you only share what you want with your network. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.